Welcome to this recording for using groups. In this video, you'll learn how to use groups in Practifi. We'll cover what groups are and when to use them, how to create a group, how to navigate the group record, and how to manage group members. Let's get started. A group is a container that connects multiple related entities. Instead of viewing households, organizations, and individuals in isolation, groups let you see them as one cohesive unit with combined metrics, shared history, and streamlined workflows. Groups are useful for a range of scenarios. You can use them to link multiple households together from multi-generational families, to group partner households or organizations so you can see aggregate metrics, to organize connections and prospects tied to a center of influence, or to bring together entities that share interests, demographics, or memberships. There are a few things you should know about how groups differ from other entity types. Groups don't have life cycle stages. They're not promoted to prospects, clients, or any other stage. Their data is a combined view drawn from their member entities rather than standalone data. A group can contain households, organizations, and individuals, but not other groups. Entities can belong to only one group at a time. Please note that groups can be enabled or disabled by Practifi administrators at the organization level in entity management settings. To create a group, click the Global Actions menu and select Create an Entity. In the Create an Entity wizard, select Group as the entity type. You'll notice that the lifecycle stage options are grayed out. That's expected because group records don't move through lifecycle stages. Let's click Next. On the following screen, enter a name for the group. You also have the option to change the owner or related division. To add members, search for entities by name and check their boxes to select them. Selected entities appear below the search field. Let's add a few more members. If an entity already belongs to another group, you'll see a blue icon to the right of their name. If you select that entity, Practifi will ask whether you want to move them to this new group. This will remove them from their existing group. When you're done adding members, click Next. On the following screen, you can add topics, an influencer segment, and other definitions to the group. Make any selections you want, then click Next. The success screen displays a summary of what was created. From here, you can click Go to Entity to view the new group record, or create another entity to reset the wizard and create another. We'll click Go to Entity. The group record has several sections. The Overview section provides a high-level summary, including members, notice board posts, smart notes, open tasks and processes, and active services. The Members section shows all entities in the group. Financials displays all assets and liabilities across group members in one list. Services and Pipeline and Processes and Tasks give you combined views of work across all members. Relationships, Documents, the feed, and activities round out the record with a full picture of everything connected to the group. Let's take a closer look at the Members section. Here you can access two views, Hierarchy and List. The Hierarchy tab displays an interactive diagram of the group's structure. The group appears at the top with member entities below it and their member entities beneath them. Using the controls, you can zoom in and out, toggle between vertical and horizontal layouts, refresh the view, and switch to full screen mode. You can also download the diagram as a PNG. Within the diagram, you can click any entity to open their record in a new tab. The List tab shows a simple list view of all members. As with the hierarchy diagram, you can click the name of any entity to open their record in a new tab. The Scope selector lets you filter the view to focus on specific group members. This is especially useful when working with large groups. You can narrow your focus without losing the broader group context. The Scope selector appears in the Record side panel next to a Currently Showing heading. The default view is All Entities. To filter, click All Entities in the side panel. In the dropdown, uncheck the boxes for any entities you want to exclude from the view, then click Apply. The side panel updates to show how many entities are currently being displayed. To reset the view back to all entities, click on the Scope Selector badge, then recheck the box, or uncheck and check all values and click Apply. You can add members to a group after it's been created. From the Group Record page, click the Actions menu in the Record side panel and select Manage Members. Alternatively, you can click the Manage Members button from the Members section. You can also add an entity to a group from its own record by clicking the Actions menu and selecting Add to Group. To remove a member from a group, click the Actions menu and select Manage Members. In the Manage Members window, click the X to the right of the member's name and click Save to save your changes. The entity is removed from the group but remains in Practifi. An entity's group membership is displayed in its record side panel. You can click the group name to view the group record in a new tab. Each entity can only belong to one group, but you can move an entity to a different group using the Manage Members action. If that entity already belongs to another group, Practifi will notify you and move it to the new group upon confirmation. You've reached the end of the vignette video for using groups. If you have any questions, reach out to your Client Success Manager or our Practifi support team. To learn more about Practifi, feel free to take a look at some of our other videos. Thanks for watching.